What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And this company reached out to me and asked me to review this. I thought it was pretty cool. And honestly, I've got a couple USB fans. They're low power, not very powerful at all. I don't have any powerful fans that can operate off of a battery or USB. So I was excited and I said absolutely. So this is something I've never seen before. This is going to be model F11 from OGERY. It is a camping fan. Looks like it's got a big battery here. Then they have a website you can go to. It says it has 3 levels of lighting, battery, multi-angle rotation, adjustable wind speed, and that's about it. Let's open it up. I just don't have any fans that are portable and powerful. Like, I've got a box fan that plugs into an AC outlet that's pretty powerful, but it's a lot bigger than this. And then all my little USB fans are just little USB fans that don't do very much. So right away, I see a USB-C to USB-C. That's pretty awesome. And then in here, we've got the unit. All right, box is empty. Let's take a look at all this. So got some tape here. Looks like this is rotates and is movable. Let's peel this off. All right. So this just looks kind of like a big battery right here. And then there's a light around this, which is really cool because it'll light up the area around you. And there's a fan. And here it looks like we've got some dials. First of all, let's take a look at the instruction manual here. It says tap the knob or rotate the knob to turn on the power. Tap the knob or rotate the knob counterclockwise to turn off. Fan speed, clockwise rotation, clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. You can press the timer button. You can press the oscillation button, the sleep button, lighting button, battery level, display the remaining battery. There's a freaking remote? I didn't know there was a freaking remote to this thing. Please use a regular PD 20 watt or quick charge 18 watt. When charging, the lights will flash and the 4 indicator lights are always on when full. And then there's some more information here. Please check before use. You got the USB-C input, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, or 12 volts, 1.5 amps. And then you've got USB A or C output, which is a little different, 9 volts, 2.22 amps, or 12 volts at 1.67 amps. It's got a hook on the bottom of it to hook it to something. All right, where's the remote? Oh, it's got a little, I gotta freaking zoom out. On the top here, it's got a handle to carry it. Oh, right here. There's a little cute remote, and it's got a spot for it to sit in. All right, a replaceable button cell battery. Pulls it out to activate it. The fan has built-in fast charging module and supports 18 watts max fast charging. We're going to utilize the cable that it comes with, and then we'll just pick a little 30 watt. You don't need 30 watts, but I don't have any 20 watts. I have a watt reader here. It's going to see how much power is coming from the wall. So I'm going to plug this in. All right. So right away, we see that it's charging with 18 watts. So pretty fast input there. It's pretty nice. And then on the front of the unit, you can see that the 4th light is currently flashing. So that's pretty good. That means it's almost completely full. And then on the bottom, you've got the little hook to hook it to something. You've got some little rubber feet. And then, yeah, it can, wow, it can, oh my goodness. It can adjust pretty much any way you want it to adjust. And then when you're done with the remote, you put the remote in there and you won't lose it. That's pretty cool. There's some more data on the back of the actual fan itself. So it says that the battery in here is 20,000 mAh. Can it be used while? Yes, it can. And that's on 25%, and that is way better than any USB fan I have. My goodness. Let's go up a little bit more. Wow, that's a lot better than 25. Right now, we're currently on 50. And there is like a in-between, right? So I've noticed that before you get to 50, you can feel it get a little bit faster. And if you do it one more time, 50 lights up. So if I turn it one little thing here, boom, I can feel the fan getting more powerful, but 75 isn't quite lit up yet. So we'll turn it one more. Still a little bit faster, but not lit up yet. A little bit faster. So now 75 is lit up. So it has a lot more than just 25, 50, 75, 100. So we'll do this. Okay, that feels like it's gotten a little bit faster. It's picking up speed. And then all the way to 100. That is fantastic. That is a very good amount of wind. And then we'll do the oscillating thing. Oh, there you go. It's going to go left and right. That's pretty awesome. And then obviously you can tilt it. Oh my word, okay. I'm liking this thing so far. And what about that light? There you go. So I pressed it and it lit up. I'm going to press it again. It got a little bit brighter, so that's a second level. Press it again. It's even brighter. There's the third level. And then off. So 3 levels of brightness. Oh, it's got a thing here for the rotation. So 30 degrees. Oh, it's barely going left and right. Okay. It's just barely turning. Now, if I press this again, it's going to open up that movement and go a little bit further. Okay, so basically 90 will let you go all the way left, all the way right. That's freaking cool. And then what about 120? Let's see what 120 does. And then there's a little thing here for the remote to pick up the remote. It's a little sensor. Okay, cool. So you could basically adjust like how much it rotates, like a little bit of rotation or a lot of rotation. That's the first time I've seen that. And then turn off the rotation. And then you have a sleep button, so you can do 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or off. And what does the sleep button do? I have no idea. It was probably said in the instructions and I just glanced over it. All right, so we got the fan in this really dark room. I just want to show you that you can't see my hand. It's in front of the camera. So I'm going to come up here and press this light button. And now you can see the bathroom. And that's just the first setting. We'll press another one. And that's brighter. So look how bright that is. And we'll press it one more time since there's a third setting. And look at that. Plenty of light. That's crazy. And I'm gonna just turn off the light. And there you go. This thing is so neat. And then it gets really fast and it tilts so many different angles and ways. It's can hang from this hook here. It can hang from this hook here. It can magnetically. Oh, it's such a cool fan, and it's battery powered and it lasts forever on battery. It's just such a great fan. I'm gonna put a link to this thing in the description below if you want to purchase one of these for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out. No light. There's my watch.